Hello all. Someone asked me to share how I did the timing chain replacement. Unfortunately, I don't have the full video, but I'd like to share with you what I got. Start with these special tools that is necessary for this process with the VW. I have some slides and some pictures, explanation. And then in the end I have a short video when I double check the timing chain, so hope it will be helpful for you guys, but it's just like a short video. Hope you can enjoy it. If necessary more information, just make a comment and I will be happy to answer you guys. So after the tools, I'm going to show what we need to be removed on this engine. Of course, valve cover and the side cover, flywheel. So we need to remove all this. And then I start to showing the position. If you let it on the top end, it will be better when you do the assembly process. Showing the cams and the tool that lock the high pressure oil pump, how to lock it. It is the engine, my engine, when I disassembly, and then I found issue with the guide that was completely destroyed. That was my issue, so I was missing, and you can see in the following pictures what it's called. So you can see parts everywhere in the oil pan. So it was not my plan to disassemble the oil pan, but I have to for cleaning. So this is just an illustration what was missing. And the sham started to eating the pins that hold. You can see this picture. So that's why I have to replace all the timing chain. Yeah, you can see my oil pan. It's really bad. Now I'm going to show the process how to install the new timing chain, starting with the pulley and the crankshaft. So it's very hard to see the position because it's very small mark, but you have to pay attention on that mark on the pulley because it is where the process starts. So you can see in the next slides. So this is the mark that I'm talking about, the crankshaft pulley. And you also have to use this tool to lock the high pressure pump. Look for the mark. There is a small chamfer on the teeth of the crankshaft. You have to align between two parts of the body. It's a very small chamfer. So, and there is a mark on the timing chain to put it over there. Also, the oil pump, there is a mark that you have to follow to install it in the right way. Yeah, looking for the pictures, I think it will be better for you to understand. And in the end, I also have a video. Also, when you install the second chain, you'll see the marks. Also, will be very clear on this video and also on these illustrations that I'm adding on this video, how to install it. I think the hard work is just to take the engine out to do it. And also on the crankshaft, you have to look for the right marks, 24E and 32A. You see the pictures how I did, and what the marks is aligned. Yeah, so the new chain comes with all the marks that you need to follow. It's very straightforward if you follow all the marks. So this is my engine after I finished the installation. And also I show in the video in the end how to check it. Okay, I will let the audio with you now. Engine mark. Looking. The other. Going freely. This mark here, pointing there. Just marking here, pointing here. Here, it's pointing here. There, stoppy. And also here, we have the teeth with chamfer here. That's it.